Hi, my name's Amanda, and I've been teaching Portuguese for over 15 years. One of the things I hear frequently from people is that even though they've had lessons, they still are unable to understand what others are saying, and they're unable to be able to put the words that they've learned together and make sentences. So essentially, they're not learning how to speak the language. This can be very frustrating, especially if you've paid lots of money for courses and you've used a lot of your time, and then the outcome is that you're still not speaking the language. So with this in mind, I've developed some methods to help to get the ball rolling, to give you the basic structure that you need for everyday situations, immersing you in conversation that is common to everyday situations. So not so much verb drills, but more phrases that are useful that you learn as a whole. So when you learn whole phrases, it's a lot easier to use those phrases. So if you would like to learn to speak Portuguese like a native, stay tuned for more videos. Thank you very much for watching.